arbitrationagreements.org. We know disputes and conflicts can be a part of any relationship or organization, and that's perfectly okay. What matters most is how we handle these situations when they arise. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you stay happy and keep costs low whenever problems occur. Now we are here to share with you some of the top skills needed to adeptly navigate and resolve disputes in a way that fosters understanding, cooperation, and positive outcomes. Before we delve into that, let's first appreciate some statistics that underscore the importance of acquiring these skills. Recent studies have shown that organizations employing alternative dispute resolution methods have found a significant reduction in the time and costs associated with resolving disputes. It's fascinating to note that almost 75% of disputes resolved through mediation result in a satisfactory outcome for all parties involved. Now, let's move on to the skills we believe would be really helpful in this process. First up is active listening. We cannot stress enough the importance of lending a keen ear to understand the perspectives, feelings, and intentions of all parties involved. When we listen actively, we open doors to potential solutions that might not be apparent initially. Next on our list is empathy. Cultivating empathy allows us to step into the shoes of others, to view the world from their standpoint. This helps in fostering mutual respect and understanding, which are vital in finding common ground. Communication is another critical skill. Being able to articulate our thoughts clearly while also being receptive to the feedback and inputs of others can lead to constructive dialogue, paving the way for resolution. Flexibility is our next key point. The willingness to adapt and modify our stance, to incorporate the viewpoints of others, creates a collaborative atmosphere. It enables us to find solutions that are beneficial for everyone involved. Problem solving is a cornerstone in dispute resolution. Developing the ability to analyze a situation objectively and brainstorming innovative solutions can indeed be a game changer. Lastly, patience is a virtue that comes in handy. Disputes often involve heightened emotions and complex issues. Being patient allows us to navigate these complexities with grace and poise, fostering an environment where resolution is possible. As we wrap up, let's remind ourselves that mastering these skills is a journey, not a destination. Continuous learning and practice will only enhance our proficiency in alternative dispute resolution. To continue the learning process and master these skills, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That's also where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle all sorts of issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that, please give us a call. Also, what do you think about the conflict resolution skills mentioned in this video? Which one do you believe is the most important? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you succeed.